Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Hootsuite AI to auto-generate posts and monitor mentions, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Hootsuite AI for auto-generating posts and monitoring mentions, begin by logging into your Hootsuite account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one on the Hootsuite website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the app directory in the left-hand menu and click on it. Search for the AI feature and select it from the results. Click on the Install button to add the AI capabilities to your Hootsuite account. After installation, go to the Streams section in the left-hand menu. In Streams, create a new stream by clicking the Add Stream button. Choose the social network you want to monitor for mentions, such as Twitter or Facebook. Select the option for mentions to capture any references to your brand. Name your stream for easy access later and click Add Stream to confirm. Next, go to the Composer section on the dashboard. In the Composer, find the AI Post Generation tool. Set up parameters for the types of posts you want AI to generate, such as topics and hashtags. Specify the posting schedule to automate when these posts will go live. Once your parameters are set, click Save or Activate to enable AI-generated posts. To monitor engagements, return to the Streams section. Interact with any mentions in your mention stream to respond and engage with your audience. Under the Analytics section, review metrics to track the performance of your AI-generated posts. Adjust your AI settings as needed based on performance insights. With these steps, you can successfully set up Hootsuite AI to enhance your social media strategy. Stay proactive in monitoring mentions and engaging with your audience. This will help in refining your content strategy and improving brand interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.